Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare. You guys know I'm all about that healthy glow, and what better way to achieve it than with ingredients straight from your kitchen? We're talking simple, effective home remedies that will transform your skin, leaving it radiant and luminous. Trust me, you'll be thanking me later. So stay tuned and let's unlock the secrets to naturally glowing skin. First up, we're going back to our roots with turmeric. This golden spice is like magic for your skin. It's a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse that helps fight acne, fade away those stubborn tan lines, and brighten up your complexion. And when you mix it with yogurt, oh honey, that's a recipe for glowing skin. Yogurt is a natural exfoliator that gently removes dead skin cells, revealing the brighter, smoother skin underneath. Trust me, this combo is a game changer. Now let's talk about cleansing. You guys know how important it is to start with a clean canvas, right? And what's more gentle and nourishing than milk and honey? Milk, especially raw milk, is amazing. It's packed with lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that brightens and evens out skin tone. And honey? It's a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. Plus, it has antibacterial properties that help keep breakouts at bay. Aloe vera and rose water, the soothing elixir. Let's be honest, who doesn't love that fresh, dewy look? Aloe vera is a skincare superhero. It's super hydrating, calms inflammation, and helps repair damaged skin. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin. And when you combine it with rose water, magic happens. Rose water is known for its toning properties. It helps tighten pores, balance your skin's pH, and leaves you with the most beautiful, natural glow. Lemon and cucumber, the refreshing brighteners. Okay, babes, let's talk about tackling those dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C is your best friend when it comes to brightening, and lemons are packed with it. Lemons are naturally acidic, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin and lighten dark spots over time. But remember, always use lemon juice with caution and do a patch test first, as it can be a bit strong for sensitive skin. Now, cucumber. It's all about that instant refreshment. Cucumber is super cooling and hydrating, which helps to soothe the skin and reduce any redness or irritation. Together, they create a powerful mask that leaves your skin feeling refreshed, revitalized, and oh so bright. Papaya and Almond, the glow-getting scrub. Exfoliation is key, loves. It's all about getting rid of those dead skin cells that make your complexion look dull. And papaya is a natural exfoliating queen. It contains an enzyme called papain that gently breaks down dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. And we can't forget about almonds. Almonds are naturally nourishing and rich in antioxidants. They help to protect your skin from damage, leaving it healthy and glowing. Shine from within, beauties. So there you have it, my loves. 5 simple natural home remedies to get that radiant glow you've always wanted. Now, remember, consistency is key. Just like with anything else, you gotta keep at it to see amazing results. And while these home remedies work wonders, don't forget the basics. Drink plenty of water, eat those fruits and veggies, get enough sleep, and always, always wear sunscreen. Let me know in the comments which remedy you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.